sing about myself, nigga.
I look horrible.
Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Deja. Happy birthday to you.
I didn't want to sing.
Well, you should have, because that's your sister, and she sang at your birthday.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
She thinks she's grown now. And in her sleep, she moves like a cow.
Yay!
Drink it. It's a box of chocolate cookies.
Shut up! You can use that one picture in the dress as my birthday.
He's recording that.
Oh my god!